In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your taillight assembly on your Mercedes-Benz C300. It's located on the back of the car. To remove the taillight, we need to remove this cover on the inside of the trunk. So pop your trunk, open the lid, and then take out this cover. To do that, you just have to push up, and there's nothing holding it in except these two tabs. Once you're in there, you're going to disconnect your connector. It looks like our connector is broken on this side, but there should be something to push in just like this side. Push in both and remove it. After you unplug your connector, you're going to look for 3 nuts. There's one here. There's one here. And there's one underneath here. And there's going to be one more nut as well that we'll get to after, but it's on more of the side of the car. We're going to take out this push pin here so we can access that with a wrench. Use a trim tool to do that. Take out the top, and then you're going to get underneath and take out the rest. Now we can move this freely, a little more easily, and get a wrench in there to loosen up that nut. I have a 1/4 inch ratchet and a 8mm short socket on the bolt underneath here. And now we're going to loosen this up. After you get it started, you can take it off the rest of the way by hand. Do not lose that nut. So just be careful when you get it off all the way. There we go. And now we're going to go for this one underneath here and this one up top. Using the same size, 8mm. Take it off the rest of the way by hand. And now we're going to go for this one. There we go. So now that we're done taking out those 3, there's one more nut. And if you look at the outside of the car from behind, you're going to notice that the taillight wraps around the car a little bit to the side. So there's a nut that's holding that corner on at the very top. So you're going to pull back your carpet like I have right now, and you're going to see it up here just to the left of the assembly. So we're going to use an 8mm and take that one out as well. Once you get it started, you can take it out by hand. And now we can remove our taillight. To do that, you're just going to push on the assembly. You're going to line it up, and you're going to gently push it in. It should look flush everywhere, and that's how you know it's in there right. We're going to start with the hardest nut to put in first, and that's the one underneath the carpet. Reach in after you pull that carpet back, and you're going to have to go by feel. And you're just going to tighten it up as much as you can, and we'll tighten it up with the socket after. Don't over tighten it, there's no need for it. Now we're going to move on to the next 3. All right, we're going to put this one on first. Make sure your assembly is all the way in. And after we get all 3 nuts on, we're going to tighten them down. Now that they're all on, finger tight, I'm going to tighten them all down. For this one, I'm using a longer socket with my ratchet because it's just easier. You don't have to if you don't want to. And the last one to tighten is this one. Pull that carpet back. Get your ratchet on there. And tighten it down. Once you're snug, you're going to plug in your connector. You should hear it click into place. Like that. Our connector is broken on this side, so you're not going to hear it on that side. Now we can put our cover back on. Make sure both tabs are pushed in underneath the carpet, and you should be good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.